winter combat hiding. What are the best methods, equipment, and tactics for a modern soldier to conceal himself into snow? Successfully blending in and becoming the snow environment is an intense battle that determines life or death. But how has winter combat changed over the past century? Have drones altered the process in current warfare or not? Join us as we discuss and explore the ins and outs of Artic camo.
What's up, guys? You're watching Everything Weapons. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be diving deep in deep snow Arctic evasion. We're going to be talking about modern 2026 deep Arctic winter soldier outfits, kits, and how to evade drones and where kind of modern day winter cold climate environment camouflage has grown into. And we're going to be also going into kind of what is the best camouflage and equipment and tactics and methods used to successfully blend into winter environments, specifically for soldiers. Alright, so modern soldiers in Arctic and snowy winter environments prioritize multi-layered concealment, okay? And this is gonna break up the human silhouette, obviously, and it also matches the bright white, gray, bluish tinted snow and shadows. And snow is the easiest to blend in, obviously. That's why the best sniper is the Finnish White Death, right? Because he was in deep snow. And enjoy my shitty green screen as well. Just for this video, I've no AI used, but so you want to minimize your thermal signature as well, and also you want to counter the aerial drone observation, right? So modern day war is gonna have lots of drones. That's where the future of war is. And so bird eye view, like, you know, top down view has never been more important in concealment for combat and war. We see this on Ukraine and everything. So effective blending combines like specialized clothing with overwhites. And we saw a lot of this in the World War II theaters, of course, in Russia. But field modifications to kits are also a thing, but disciplined tactics and movement play a crucial role with trying to hide from drones above you, right? So it's all up to what you're wearing and also kind of knowing how to hear and also look out for drones, as well as making sure you don't move much. Now, awareness of sensor threats like visual, thermal, IR, or radar. Pure white is dominant in deep snow Arctic war conditions, but must be adapted for varying terrain, like open tundra or forest areas, right? Or rocky outcrops. So in winter, it all depends. Like, you know, if soldiers are going to be deployed where there are woods, there's lots of trees and forests, the camo can kind of differ there, right? It's totally up to the environment. If it's plain snow with absolutely no bushes, trees, foliage, it's obviously gonna differ. Now, my setup here that you're seeing visually is just a bunch of like props and homemade kind of over white that goes over my kit here, and then I have a custom snow foliage crazy bush helmet, if you will. So my kit here is like excessive camouflage, right? Like the most you can possibly have. But core clothing and equipment, let's go over the overwhites and also the layering process. So overwhites, the snow camo suits, these are lightweight, loose-fitting outer layers like jackets, pants, sometimes hoods or full suits, and they're kind of like a poncho, right? Worn over the standard combat uniforms of soldiers or cold weather gear like the US Extended Cold Weather Clothing System. They provide the primary visual match to snow, and materials are often synthetic, obviously, like DWR treated for water and snow resistance and durability, with breathable to manage moisture, critical and cold to avoid hypothermia, obviously, and packable. So examples we know, we have US military tests with various systems, including multicam alpine snow variants, as well as a Cryptek Wraith and Finnish M05 white base with gray elements for forests and tundra. We also have the Swedish M90 snow variants and the Norwegian patterns with gray birch-like accents. Now my custom over white here, I just kind of did a very close to white gray lines pattern kind of, so just what I wanted to do in that moment. So let me know what you think of it. Obviously my green screening here wasn't good, but that's not the point of the video, right? I still think the visuals are cool, but pure white works best in open or deep snow, but patterned versions with subtle low opacity grays and light earth tones even